Egypt is invaded by Libyans. They're repelled by the Nubians. Then we get the Assyrians. Then we get the Babylonians. And then we get the Persians. And then we get to the Greeks, the last foreign rulers of Egypt. And today I'd like to talk about maybe the greatest of them all, Alexander the Great. We know Alexander's real father, Philip II of Macedon. Now, remember at this point in history, there is no Greece. There is no country called Hellas. It's not a country yet. What we have are city-states. We've got a place like Athens, which is an independent political entity with its own constitution. We've got Sparta, right? We've got Macedonia, right? So these are independent. And Alexander's father, Philip of Macedon, is trying to unite these city-states in a military effort. They are fighting the Persians. And he needs all the support he can get. But Philip is assassinated. Right? Alexander's father is killed. And at the age of 20, Alexander takes over the Macedonian army.